Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing concept called Torpedopot, where literally all you do is put your seeds and plants in a planter, and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again in your life. How about that? Thousands of carrot seeds. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely beautiful. Perfect. Well, this video is not about the carrot seeds. This video is really, this will go on my meal this morning. So good. Everything carrot tastes like carrot. It's amazing. So what I want to do today is that it's getting hot. My celery has been doing really great. We put them in, we bought like 40 plants for $13 at our grower. Put them all over the place. And I think we've harvested maybe about 20 pounds of celery already. And so I want to harvest this because it's getting hot. They don't like hot weather. So we have a strategy at Torpedopot. So you can grow this celery twice in the year. You can grow it early in the season, or you can grow it late in the year during the fall. So you have the spring and the fall, you can really kick it off. The summer, it gets beat up pretty bad and you have to cut it back so that when the fall does come, it'll start to grow back again, hopefully into the winter. So what I'm going to do now is cut this down. Guys, you don't know, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in this planter, and it literally grows your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again. So what we're going to do now is cut down some of this delicious celery, and we're going to have to store it. We've already harvested a good portion in the beginning of this planter right here already, and it's starting to grow back. But I want it to be consistent, I want to make it even, so I'm going to cut down even more. I go all the way down to the base of that stalk. We cut down as much as I like, and it is delicious. Will you look at this? That's the foods you're getting from your Torpedopot. Fresh, healthy leaves and stalks. That's amazing. This is the health that you need inside of your body. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful, guys. That's absolutely beautiful. I hope you can appreciate and see that. And look at the leaves. Isn't that amazing? That's the food you get from your Torpedopot. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. They grow your food with no human intervention. I always have food, all of the time. Not some of the time, and it's fresh food. It's not with any synthetic chemicals. This is all purely organic. 100% edible. Oh, let's get the first stalk put away. So, I like celery so much that I want to grow a lot during the beginning of the year, towards the end of the year, because I use it in all my foods. My spaghettis, my dishes, I use it in everything. I don't need to tell you how beautiful this is. Man. This is absolutely beautiful. A lot of food, guys. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. And what they do is that they grow your food for you with no human intervention. All I do is I come down, chop them down, use them in my food, and guess what? They grow back. I don't have to worry about that. And the food I get is healthier than anything you could ever imagine. No synthetic chemicals used in my food. This is a purely organic growing process. And what you put in is exactly what's going to multiply and come out. So yeah, this one planter, I forgot what we normally do in terms of planters for the 16-inch planter in terms of celery. But I do know it looks like we did about 11 pounds of celery and 11 pounds of lettuce out of about 10 small planters this size and smaller. So we believe you can do an awful lot. So let me store this away right now. Like I said, it's getting hot, and I want to give them a fighting chance. This is so good. I love my celery. Now, I do not recommend putting them in bags or putting them in because if you guys here for storage. But what I'm going to do with this is just sit this up here for now. because we're going to turn it right in. Once you put it in this bag and it starts dehydrating, it's a bad thing. So I want to make sure if I do put it in this, I put it directly in the storage. I don't want to get too hot and it damages the food in the process. All right, here's the second planter. Now, we grew radish in this planter also. We were harvesting the radish seeds. And isn't that beautiful? Man, that's gorgeous. That's beautiful. So we eat off of it. You can see I've eaten a lot off of this plant. And the big bulbs will come out and I just pull it off, snap it off and eat it. And they're very spicy. The beans are a little harder now because they're mature. But in the youth of their pod development, they're so good. But at this point, they're beans. Start to develop their outer shell to become seeds to do what they need to do. Put this aside for a minute. Let's see if we can get harvest from this planter right here. Okay, here's my Torpedopots. They gave me an awful lot of clean, fresh food. I have my nutrition here. Torpedopot grows my food for me. All I have to do is put my seeds in that planter, put my plants in that planter, and I have more food than you could ever imagine. Torpedopot, it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. And those who are coming out tilling in the ground, well, guys, this is the most work I've done in a week. I love it. It smells good. All I do is put my seeds in that planter. Nature takes over. The ants go to work. All the protection devices go to work. The microbes go to work to create an environment that is unbelievably healthy for your plants. It's called a Torpedopot, and it does it. I don't have those problems. So now, I wanted to share this with you so you can see what's going on, and you'll know that your vitamins are coming directly from the source. Plants. I use plants in everything. Look at the bottom of all this. Isn't that beautiful? That is beautiful. Those stalks are beautiful. Man, just think of that. That is so beautiful, man. I love that. I love my food. I love my food. I hope it didn't drop any. But no, I love my food, man. My food is good. Torpedopot helps me put my food in a proper perspective. I don't have to slave or work hard for my food. My food works and slaves hard for me. I don't have to do anything anymore. Even this really bad temperature, we're suffering. All I can do is come out and get my food and grab it and eat it. I don't have to do anything else. I have it. Because the Torpedopot is right next to me. So my nutrition is here. I get nutrition every day. You don't have to buy nutrition. It's free. It's a part of nature. Nature wants to give you all the nutrition that it has. You just have to be willing to accept it. Are you willing to accept it? Do you want to try new agricultural practices that will carry you into many, many years to come until you pass away? Torpedopot does that. It's the world's first self-growing planter that grows your food with no human intervention. You'll never have a problem with food again in your life. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Normally I could put this down and click on that camera. Let's see if I can do it. Click that camera off.